device simplification. In previous class we have learned how to express very large numbers in standard form, right? So in today's class we are going to see the application of exponents to express numbers in the standard form. Okay, so let us try to solve how to express a very small number in a standard form. For example, I want to write a small number in a standard form 0.3 meters. Okay, 0.000003 meters. I want to write this number in a standard form. How I will write? So first of all, 0 point, so it is a very minute value, that means a very small value. So after the decimal, how many digits I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will take this as 3 by divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 10 lakhs, right? 3 by 10 lakhs. Why? Because we have 6 digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll take 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how can I write this? 3 by 10 power 6. Can I write this as 3 power 10 by 6? Yes, I can write. Why? Because I have 10 lakhs. That means 6 zeros. So I can write it as 3 by 10 power 6. Okay. Now I want to write this number in a simple form, simplified form. That means all I want to write it in a numerator itself. So this is in the division form. So I will convert this denominator into a numerator. So to convert, I should have to change it to multiplication. So 10 power 6, when it goes to the numerator, it will become the negative power, that is 10 power minus 6. So 0.00003 meters can be written as 3 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Okay. And next one, 0.00001275 meters. Okay. I want to write this small number in the standard form. So first of all, I will take the numbers 1275. 1275 by. So after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can write this as 1275 by 10 power 8. Okay. Now I want to write it in a very small form. This number is 1275, but I want to write it in the ones. So I will take a decimal in the numerator. That means I am going to shift the 3 digits after the decimal. That means 10 power 3. Okay. I am shifting the decimal after the 3 numbers. So 1.275 into 10 power 3 by, we already have the denominator 10 power 8. So here 3 10 are cancelled and here 3 cancelled, 5 are left. Okay. So it will become 1.275 by 10 power 5. Now I will shift this denominator to a numerator. So I will convert the division into a multiplication. So 1.275 into 10 power of minus 5 meters. Okay. So in this way we have converted a very small number in a standard form. Now let us try to do some exercise problems. Okay. Express the following numbers in the standard form. Okay. Here we have 0.000000000947. Okay. So first of all, I will write these 3 digits as the numerator. Okay. 947 by. Now count how many decimals digits are there after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I will write it as 947 by 10 power 12. Okay. Now I want to write it in a very small number. This number is 947. So I will convert it into a 9.47. So I am taking the 2 digits after the decimal. So that means 10 power 2. Okay. By already we have 10 power 12 in the denominator. Now here 2 tens are cancelled and here 2 tens are cancelled. We have 10 power 10. So it became 9.47 by 10 power 10. Now I want to write this denominator in the numerator. So changing into multiplication. So 9.47 into this will become 10 power minus 10. The power will become negative. So this number can be written as 9.47 into 10 power minus 10. Okay. The next one. 543 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. We have to write this large number in a small standard form. Okay. So first of all, 543 into how many digits are there? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 543 into 10 power 9. I want to write it in a very small number. Okay. So that means this is 543. So I will move these two digits after the decimal. That means I will place a point after 5. So I am taking two decimals out. So it will become 10 power 2 into 10 power 9. So what is the formula we have here? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So that means 5.43 into 10 power 2 plus 9. It will become 5.43 into 10 power 9 plus 2 is 11. So this number can be written as 5.43 into 10 power 11. 4830000. This is also same. First of all, 483 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write it as 483 into 10 power 5. So this is 400. So I want a single digit number. So I will take two numbers after the decimal. So 10 power 2 into 10 power 5. Here also we are going to apply a power m into a power n formula. It is a power m plus n. Here we have 10 power 2, 10 power 5. So I can take it as 4.83 into 10 power 2 plus 5. So it will become 4.83 into 10 power 7. Next one, 0.00009298. Okay. So we have to write 9298 by, so how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I am going to write this as 9298 by 10 power 8. So I want to change it into a smallest number. So I will take 3 digits after the decimal. So 9.298 into 10 power 3 by 10 power 8. Here 3 tens are cancelled and here 3 tens are cancelled. 5 are left. So we can write this as 9.298 by 10 power 5. So I can write the number as 9.298 into, when this decimal denominator goes into the numerator, it will become 10 power minus 5. Okay. Next one. 0.0000529. So first of all, 529 by how many digits are there after the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we have to write it as 10 power 7. So I am changing the decimal value. So it will become 10 squared by 10 power 7. Okay. Here 2 tens are cancelled, here 2 tens are cancelled and 5 are left. So we can write it as 5.29 into this. When this goes to the numerator, it will become 10 power minus 5. Okay. Next one. Express the following numbers in the usual form. So 4.37 to 10 power 5. Okay. Previously they gave this number and we converted into standard form. Now they gave the standard form and I asked them just to find out the usual form. Okay. So 4.37 into 10 power 5. That means 4.37 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I am change this decimal to 2 digits later. So it will become 437 into 2 digits are eliminated here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. That means 4,37,000 is the answer. Okay. Similarly, next one, 5.8 into 10 power 7. So 5.8 into 10 power 7 means we have to write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So take this decimal value. So that means 1 value is taken for the decimal. So 58 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it became 5 crores 80 lakhs. Okay. Next one. 3.25 into 10 power of minus 4. So 10 power of minus 4 means that number will goes to the denominator. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 32.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. So here 0.5 means one digit is added to the denominator 5. So keep the point 5 digits before the decimal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it became 0.00325. Okay. Next one, 3.71529 into 10 power of 7. So we can write it as 3.71529 into 10 power 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits after the decimal. So we can take it from this 0. So simply we can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are taken for the decimal. So how many left? 2 are there. So 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9, 00. Okay. Next one. 3789 into 10 power of minus 5. So 3789 by 10 power of minus 5 means we have to write the zeros in the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now put the decimals before 5 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One number will be here. That means 0.03789. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the decimal is here. Okay, the next one. 24.36 into 10 power of minus 3. So 24.36 by 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now here 2 decimals will be added to the denominator. So 2436 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can write this as 0.02436. Okay. Okay. Next one. Express the following information in the standard form. Size of the bacteria is 0.000004 meters. So how can we write this? 4 by how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is in a single digit. So we can write this as 4 by 10 power 7. So I can write this number as 4 into 10 power of minus 7 meters. Next one, the size of red blood cells is 0.000007 millimeters. So I can write this as 7 by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits are there after the decimal. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can write this as 10 power 6. So it will become 7 into 10 power of minus 6 millimeters. The speed of the light is 300000000 meter per second. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So simply we can write it as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So the speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The distance between the moon and the earth is 38446700 meters approximately. So first I will write this as 384467 into 10 power 3 meters. So I have to write it in a standard form, that means a very small form. So I will place the decimal after a single digit. So I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits after the decimal. So I will write this as 3.8446 into 10 power 8 meters. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimals are moved and here already we have 10 power 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So it will become 3.84467 into 10 power 8 meters. Next one. The charge of an electron is this much number is given in coulombs. So first of all count how many digits are there after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 zeros and 1 6. So I will write this as 1 6 by 10 power 17 coulombs. Okay. So I am going to write this as small digit. So 1.6 by 10 power 17 into 1 by 10. Why? Because I have taken a decimal here. Okay. So it will become 1.6 by 10 power 18. So I can write this as 1.6 into 10 power of minus 18 coulombs. Okay. Thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeters. So I can write this as 16 by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power 4 centimeters. So simply I will write it as 1.6 by 10 power 5. Sorry, 10 power 3. So it will become 1.6 into 10 power of minus 3 centimeters. The diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000005 centimeters. So I can write it as 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will become 10 power 6. So I can write this as 5 into 10 power of minus 6 centimeters. Coming to the next question. In a pack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? Okay. In a pack, there contains 5 books and each book is 20 mm thickness and also 5 paper sheets and each paper is 0.016 mm. Okay. So they are asking what is the total thickness of the pack. So first we have to write the given data. So given number of books is equal to 5. Okay. So thickness of each book. What is the thickness of each book? 20 mm. Okay. Next, number of paper sheets. The number of paper sheets are 5. Next, thickness of each sheet. So what is the thickness of each sheet? 0.016 mm. So when these are all packed together, they are asking what is the total thickness. So we have to find out what is the thickness of the 5 books. So therefore, thickness of all 5 books. So each book thickness is 20 mm and we have 5 books. That means 20 into 5 is 100 mm. Okay. Next, what is the thickness of all paper sheets? Thickness of all 5 paper sheets. Okay. Thickness of one paper sheet is 0.016 mm and there are 5 paper sheets. Okay. So 0.016 into 5 become 0.080 mm. So when we add these two, we will get the total thickness of the pack. Therefore, total thickness of the pack. What is the total thickness? Thickness of all books plus thickness of all paper sheets, right? So when we add these two, we will get the thickness of the whole pack. So what is the thickness of all books? 100 mm. And what is the thickness of the papers? 0.080 mm. So when we add these two, we will get 100 and 0.08. So 0.08. So we got 100.08 mm. So I want this in a very small digit. So I am going to change these two also after the decimal. So it will become 1.0008 into 10 power 2 mm. Okay. Just I am going to change these two to the decimal side. So 10 power 2 mm. So the answer is 1.008 into 10 square millimeters. So this is the total thickness of the pack. Coming to the next problem. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your answer. Okay. So a boy is trying to solve some exponent problems and he got some results. So they are asking to check whether the given result is right or wrong. If not, what is the wrong? We have to solve that. Okay. First one, x power minus 2 to x power minus 2 is equal to x power minus 6. Here we have the same basis and the powers are different. So we can use the formula a power m into a power m. What is a power m into a power n formula? A power m plus n. So x power minus 3 into x power minus 2 will become x power of minus 3 plus of minus 2. So what will it become? X power of minus 3 plus into minus is minus 2. So it will become x power of minus 5. But the answer is minus 6. So this is a wrong answer and this is the correct one. So do you agree? No, we are not agreeing. Okay. And next one. X power 3 by x power 2 is equal to x power 4. Here also same base and powers are different. Here we can use the formula a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Why? Because here power 3 is greater than power 2. Okay, here power m is greater than n. So substitute here x power 3 by x power of 2 is equal to, it will become x power of 3 minus 2. It will become x power of 1. That means x. But they gave x power 4. This is also wrong answer. So we are not agreeing with this answer. X is the correct answer. Next one. X square whole cube. So it will become x power 2 power 3. Is it correct? We have a formula for this. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So this will become x power of 2 whole power 3 will become x power of 2 into 3 is x power of 6. But they gave x power of 8. This is the wrong answer and this is the right answer. So we are not agreeing with this answer also. Okay. Next one. X power minus 2 is equal to root x. Here we have a formula a power of minus n. What is the formula of a power of minus n? 1 by a power of m. So that means x power of minus 2 will become 1 by x square. But they gave the answer root x. So this is the wrong. So this is the right answer. So this one also we are not agreeing. Okay. Next one. 3 into x power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. Here also we have the same formula. A power of minus m is 1 by a power of m. That means 3 into 1 by x. So it will become 3 by x. But they gave 1 by 3x. This is the wrong answer. This is the right one. So we are also not agreeing for this answer. So in this way we have solved the exponents and powers, and we have seen the application oriented problems on this, and also comparison of very large and very small numbers, and we also done some application of exponents to the numbers in the standard form as well as in the usual form. Okay, so we have completed exponents and powers topic. So we will take another topic in the next class. So meanwhile, like the video, share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.